Oh, mate. Useful, but not reassuring to find this in the boot of your car. Classic Jag. Hey, my name is Andy, and today I'm gonna be cleaning out my absolutely filthy Jaguar XJ6 wedding car. Let's go. No better place to start than the front. Let's start right here. What is that? Rolling paper, it looks like. What else is in here? What is this? I hope that didn't come off anything important. It's all wet, gross. Yeah, no. Oh, mate. Oh. I should have checked this before I bought the car, truthfully. That's really gross. Oh my days. That is so it's dripping. Just strips that are just rank. Now, depending on the kind of person you are, this part is either gonna be really gross or really satisfying. It's freaking disgusting. What even is this? Oh. Just noticed this actually, the trim is all starting to come away. Thankfully, if you have a trim removal tool like this, you can actually kind of pop it all back into place. Oh, I don't want to break it though. Fuck, how have they done that? Classic Jag. All good. There's these like non-removable door hankies in here. They're like attached. Not sure if that came with the car, but what definitely did with these, the ashtrays. Gross. There's one on that side, and there's two in the front. Oh, not this again. These rear carpets, they don't need to come out. We'll just vacuum them in the car. Oh, now I can't get it back in. Now the back looks pretty good. Let's move on to the boot, which is the part I'm most scared about because it's just full of crap right now. Check this out. Yeah, let's clear this out. Bits and belts and what's that say? Mitsubishi. If anyone knows about this Mitsubishi brand, please comment, because I've never heard this in my life and that's ridiculous. It's a steering column, you know, as you do. Well, I've just broken that, whatever that was. Oh, that's sick. Hang on. Let me pop you down. He's got spare Jaguar badges. That's awesome. Spare wheel caps, spare Jags. That is really cool. And these are really cool because they're actually stamped. So much random just crap in here. What's this? Oh, I think I know exactly what this is. Ta-da! See, I think Jaguar knows that when you buy their car, it's most likely gonna break down. So this is a hella warning triangle. I think you get these in a lot of old Mercedes as well, but yeah, Jag knew at some point all of their electronics were gonna fail. So they give you this. It's cool. I saw this when I bought the car and I wondered what was actually in it. I'm hoping there's like some really cool old Jag tools or something. That would be sick. The hell? Oh my God. Again, I think Jaguar do know their target because this is a jack to lift the car up. And by the looks of it, it looks like it's been used a lot and bent, in fact. Useful, but not reassuring to find this in the boot of your car. Ever since I bought the car, I still haven't had a look underneath it. So let's open this up and see what we got. That's a reassuring sound, that. Just noticed that. Press to gently close. Guess I don't want you slamming it in case this breaks, which not uncommon on a Jag. These bits are actual wood, real wood, not just some fibro crap. Wasn't expecting to see this. This car has 2 fuel tanks. It's got one there and one there, and this is what most likely switches the 2 of them. I think that Jag did a really good job putting it right there because Jaguar, British electronics in general, just weren't known to be reliable, so that means you could probably switch it out quite easily, although I don't want to have to find the guy who makes a 1982 fuel tank switching thing. Full-size spare is appreciated though. That is a full-size spare that you'll never see in a new car these days, and that's really cool. I've just noticed this, which says faulty. A45S? I mean, I know this isn't a Mercedes, but I hope that's not important because we probably need whatever that is. I now understand why Jaguar give you such a massive boot, because every single Jag owner, even modern ones, need to be able to fit all of their spare parts, and this is light, and then still have room to put their things. That's very thoughtful, and I think that that is awesome. Look at that. Now, if you're wondering why there's coolant in the back of this car, I recently did a fuel economy challenge where I drove this car 270 Ks down to Barrel and back, and we might have needed some coolant along the way. If you haven't checked that video out already, click on the pop-out banner up here. It's interesting. Now the car's all cleaned up, there's only one thing left to do. There's a tiny little rust spot right here. I've got just the thing for it. That hasn't worked. Anyways, that's about it from me today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe and follow along on the journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video.